Welcome back to another episode of Winning Product Friday, where we break down real products with real numbers so you can find your next winning product before the competition does. Now, this week's product is one of those products that instantly grabs attention the moment the lights go out. It combines home decor, outdoor living, and visual appeal into one simple product that practically sells itself in a video ad. Let's talk about the GlowPath Solar Lights. These are decorative solar-powered pathway lights designed to transform dark outdoor spaces into beautifully illuminated walkways. During the day, they charge using sunlight, and at night, they automatically light up, casting colorful mosaic patterns across paths, gardens, patios, and lawns. And the problem they're solving is incredibly simple. Most outdoor solar lights are boring. They produce weak lighting, look cheap, and often stop working after only a few hours. Homeowners want their outdoor spaces to feel warm, inviting, and beautiful without dealing with wiring, high electricity bills, or expensive landscape lighting installations. Now here's why this is a winning product. First, it's extremely easy to demonstrate in ads. This is one of those products where the visual transformation does all the selling for you. Show a dark, plain walkway, then reveal the vibrant mosaic lighting effect after sunset. Within seconds, customers can see exactly what they're getting. There is very little explanation required. Second, it's a strong impulse buy product. People aren't buying outdoor lights. They're buying a more beautiful home. They're buying curb appeal. They're buying a backyard that feels more welcoming and relaxing. That emotional connection makes it much easier to generate spontaneous purchases, especially when customers see the dramatic before and after effect. And third, it has excellent profit margins. With products like this, customers often purchase multiple units instead of just one. Most pathways, gardens, and patios require several lights to create the full effect. That opens the door for quantity discounts, bundles, and higher average order values without significantly increasing your acquisition costs. Now let's talk about who this product is really for. The primary audience is homeowners who take pride in their outdoor spaces. More specifically, people who enjoy gardening, landscaping, home improvement projects, outdoor entertaining, and seasonal decorating. You could also target gift buyers looking for unique housewarming gifts, Mother's Day gifts, holiday gifts, or presents for homeowners who love decorating their property. Now let's get into the numbers because this is where things get exciting. The GlowPath Solar Lights are currently generating an estimated monthly revenue of $56,355, and they've been handpicked by e-commerce experts, which is a strong indicator that demand has already been validated. The product costs just $7.18 and sells for $39.95. That gives you a profit margin of $32.77 per sale. For a product in the home and garden space, that's a very attractive margin. But here's what makes this even more interesting. Most customers won't stop at buying just one. Many buyers will purchase multiple lights to create a complete pathway display. That means you can offer bundle deals like buy two, get one free, packs of 4, or larger landscape kits to increase your average order value and overall profitability. Now let's talk about how to actually sell this product. Facebook and Instagram are probably your strongest platforms here. Focus on short video creatives that showcase the transformation. Use before and after footage, nighttime reveals, and user-generated style content showing homeowners upgrading their yards. The visual effect is the star of the show, so keep the ads simple and let the product do the selling. If you're wondering how to get started, this is where Sell the Trend comes in. You can use Sell the Trend to find reliable suppliers for the GlowPath Solar Lights. Import the product directly into your store, research competitors already selling similar products, and discover additional winning products in the home improvement and outdoor living niches. The platform helps remove the guesswork so you can spend more time testing and scaling products that are already showing signs of success. If you're enjoying these product breakdowns, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us continue bringing you new, winning products every single week. And if you haven't tried Sell the Trend yet, start your 14-day trial today and get access to powerful product research tools, supplier sourcing, competitor analysis, and everything you need to launch your next winning store. Now I want to hear from you. Would you market the GlowPath Solar Lights as a home decor product, a landscaping upgrade, or a gift idea for homeowners? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And I'll see you in the next Winning Product Friday. Happy selling!